can't believe it's Christmas. What the heck? Powdered sugar in the snow. Candy cane and mistletoe. Good morning, everyone, and Merry Christmas. Happy Vlogmas. I'm so excited that you're here. I can't believe that it's already Christmas. Time is going by way too dang fast. Anyways, let's go see. All of my makeup just fell. What a great start. On that note, let's go make a cold brew and let's go see if the family's awake. What's the vibe? Oh, I already hear music.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Cinnamon rolls for breakfast? Heck yeah. Merry Christmas. Good morning. This is so good.
Yummy.
Absolutely yes. Good morning. Merry Christmas. She's not having it. These are our bags to put all of the gifts in. This makes things convenient. We're gonna start off with stockings. It's just you and Catherine and Leo and Lacey, but that's it. Matcha got his present already. Oh, you did? What is it? The sweater. Oh, yeah. But we'll do theirs later. Lacey. I'm so excited! I can't believe it's Christmas. What the heck? And I can't believe y'all literally came home at midnight.
I know, isn't that crazy?
We've all been traveling.
I want to go sleep right now.
Alright, go. Daddy, you watching? That is for you keep in your car if you buy the cold stuff.
Ooh! Because I always be having groceries. Dog mom sticker. How cute is that? It's going in my planner. Ramen bandages. I went to Asia and I didn't even get ramen.
What? Well, you did good.
That's true. These are cute. I like that. You know me. I love Trader Joe's. And I love pickles.
Catherine, you see her bag?
Look, mine says pickles. Sam the Sleepy Strawberry.
You guys can do that today.
Wait, this is what I'm sewing. This strawberry.
It has everything in there.
You're so crafty. You can do it.
Oh my gosh, I needed a new one. The one that I brought to semester C is actually disgusting. Beauty blender. Christmas socks. Is it really Christmas if you don't have cute socks? Good girl, Caroline Herrera.
Holy.
Perfume sample. Starbucks gift card, let's go. I miss Starbucks. 10 free dog jokes inside. Mint gum, love it. Ooh, we've got another perfume. This is like clean beauty perfume. Oh, I like these socks. Where'd you get these from?
I'm just hangry. My dad made me food.
Thanks, Ricky.
That was
Ricky,
just
come
your
here.
stocking stuffer too, sorry.
Merry Christmas.
He just made, no.
He had it in his mouth and was doing it to me.
Matcha ate one of my presents that I brought back from Vietnam. Like
For me.
in the trash. It was for you, but I got
Florida
two,
Park.
luckily. That little nut.
Chill.
I really like these socks. I'll hold
You
it.
put your chapstick in there.
Catherine and I get very similar stocking gifts, but they're each custom to our personalities. So Catherine, for example, got Jane Austen mints, and then I got doggy mints. Thanks, Mom. Thanks, Dad. Thank you so much. Oh, I love it. Okay, you guys open gifts from me. All right, I'm gonna give the Rents their gifts. My wrapping was so bad this year, so just ignore that. Usually we do a lot better.
Thank you, baby.
Yeah. Let's get a rating on that yogurt bowl.
It's from Mill Valley.
Ooh, wow. Coffee on Mars. Wow. San Ignacio. It's from Peru. It's perfect. I love that region. Are we ready?
Cinnamon rolls are going in the oven.
Are you ready?
As we speak.
Mothers of daughters are daughters at, mothers of daughters are daughters of mothers and have remained so.
English is your second language.
It's your second language, it's okay.
Look at the font of this writing. I can barely read it. Thank you, I love it.
Don't be so nosy.
It's the rustling of paper.
It's from Mallorca.
Oh my gosh.
I thought you could put it on like your desk.
Oh, that's
That is very cool.
Is it a
Very
shark?
unique.
No, it's a fish. Matcha, chill.
That is very
cool.
beautiful.
You can put it on your desk in your office.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, that is beautiful. And what you don't know, what's very interesting, is that's my favorite jet, commercial liner jet.
Really? What is?
727. It's got 3 engines on the tail. I
Wow.
wouldn't have even known that.
It's a print from Gibraltar.
That's very cool.
Princess treatment.
Are you wearing your matching pajamas, Mom? Oh.
Wow.
From Gibraltar on the top of the rock.
Oh my gosh. Does it have the monkeys on it? Yeah, it does. Very nice liner.
Is this from Malta?
Hopefully it's like not too bulky in your book. A glass blown bookmark.
Oh, he's a mouse.
What is that?
It's a bear from Vietnam.
That's so cute. Thank you.
What, an ornament?
It's like a little keychain. This one was handmade in Vietnam. I got it done at a store, and she like is one of a kind, so there's none other like it.
New Year's Eve.
This is so pretty.
Wow.
I love this. Is it hand carved?
It is. It's from Cape Town.
Yeah.
Sloth.
No, it's not.
It's a meerkat.
Oh.
Showcat. Masha would love to chew on this.
Ooh.
That's from Santorini, Greece.
It's a lady and baby Jesus.
You want to see a cat? It's heavy.
It's very heavy.
Very thoughtful.
And that's from Mallorca.
Very pretty. I'm going to place it in my other bag.
Pretty.
Thank you, baby.
From Catherine.
It's cold brew with Chobani cream.
You want
How
one?
much Chobani? I can do it.
I'll make you one in a second.
Just walk me through it, and I'll do it.
She's been hashtag influenced. Thank you so much. I needed refills of my Way shampoo and conditioner. Being at sea, I went through those whole bottles. Travel container.
Wow.
Shut the front door. Is this a cake stand? Oh my! I love, love, love making cakes. This is so
Are you
cute.
on?
Thanks. Obsessed with it.
How do you
We
pronounce
love a
it?
good sneaker.
Yeah, I'm gonna spread the butter.
Absolutely. Yes.
What a surprise.
Yeah,
Do you like that color?
I do.
Yeah.
have one?
I don't have one.
It's not a schmag.
No,
See, when I got that, I'm like, yes, neither of the girls have one for their house.
Oh, I cannot wait to start baking when I get back. Sol de Janeiro. If you know, you know.
That's the travel pack.
What could it be? Oh my gosh, this is perfect. I literally was just about to clean mine, but they're so old. So my current makeup brushes are actually from Sephora, but I got them when I was, I think, a sophomore in high school.
So when you travel.
Thank you so much. My dad, he doesn't even know half the things that my mom got us, but love y'all both.
My t-shirt blanket.
Oh wait, that's so
Beautiful. She did
cute.
such a good job. And she put little paws on it.
Cinnamon roll time. I never showed the vlog, so I'm gonna show y'all right now. Like, I want to go to the Silos, Joanna Gaines, and like dress up and wear like this.
Oh, you should do that more home.
I know. Cinnamon roll intermission
Taking a break. Yeah.
and up close.
I want
This is so good.
Shout out to Kiki's Cakes.
Shout out Kiki's Cakes.
They're homemade.
My former parent.
Holy cow, I gotta learn how to make homemade cinnamon rolls.
She made your birthday cake.
Ready? Set, go. Oh,
I can recycle.
I saw this on Urban Outfitters.
Oh.
So cute.
Oh my gosh, it's like a teddy bear. World's best dog. Can't wait to set up my tree next year. Is this like a travel journal?
Open it. Hand made these out of tea, and then she takes tea bags and this color on the
open
side.
that.
Nothing inside, but that's for your travel
Isn't
journal.
that cool?
I thought you were putting.
Oh my gosh.
So everything is unique that she does, and she recycles the paper.
You need Claritin?
Yeah.
And Auntie and Uncle Roger, if you're
Stop
watching
it.
this, I miss you guys so much. Cannot wait to see y'all when I get back to Boise.
We miss you.
That's all recycle into those bags.
They always have the cutest cards. Starbucks. Oh.
I don't remember what
This
it
one
was.
is not.
Where did you get this? This is so cute.
Urban Outfitters. It goes in your pick.
This is so me. Are you kidding me right now? Looks like I'm gonna be whipping it up in the kitchen. The
Price?
ribbon, the lace,
What is that?
top tier. Beauty counter clean deo. God bless. Aritzia
When you
socks.
go, well, now that you
Nothing like new socks. Are these like yoga pants?
They're joggers.
Feels like butter. I love the neck of it. It's very elegant. How cute is that? Love Pottery Barn. I've used their hair oil, but I've never used their lip oil.
Thank you, Nana.
Thanks, Nana.
Thanks, Nana.
Cute.
Another house to add to my collection.
My mom has a house collection up there. It's like little white houses. What is it?
Evo!
Evo's the movie theater near us.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
It's
Awesome.
gonna be hard. This is from the wine bus.
That looks really, really hard. 1,000 pieces too? Oh Lord.
That's hard.
Wow.
Pencils.
Oh my.
Wow. Are we doing the big one first?
What's the big one?
So apparently there's 3 finale gifts. All right, this is
It
Catherine's
looked like
bag.
a lotus.
So this is the 3 presents finale. It's like fireworks.
Wait, I'm so excited.
Come here. Come here, I'll let you up.
Ready? David Yurman. We're all matching now.
We're gonna pause because we have to feed the babies.
The babies have to be fed.
Lacey.
Look at how cute. Mickey Moto.
Oh, are this the pearls? Whoa, Mom.
Where do you
What's
think
Mikimoto?
this is
Wait, you brought these back?
from?
crazy.
Japan.
Japan.
Mama got
card?
me too. No, it's just how to clean it.
How to take care of your.
Yeah, you gotta take care of these babies.
Take care of these. I mean
Take
it.
care of these
Catherine,
babies.
it's up to you. The grade is, you guys got good grade. It all comes in different grades.
Okay. Hand-picked.
I'm gonna start crying. I love pearls.
Yours is a 7.5.
Those are the best in the world. Yeah, make sure you know.
This
You
is
don't even know how much it is.
beautiful. Can't stop staring at it. Guys, thank you so
Yours is 18 karat, but it's white gold, I think.
This is gorge.com.
I know you wear those. Because when I talk to you on the phone, I see your earrings.
Give me a hug. This is so
Yeah,
nice.
know how to clean those too. It's important.
Don't put perfume on it. Spray yourself perfume first liner. Last one.
What is this?
Should we start?
Ah, stop it. There's no way. There's no way.
Yes.
Air Force.
Go Air
Yeah.
Force.
Isn't that nice?
This is the bigger carry-on.
Cute. How
It's like
freaking cute. My favorite brand ever.
You want to keep the
Thanks,
boxes or no?
guys.
You don't want to keep the boxes.
New luggage, new luggage. I love this a lot. Thank you guys so much. This was such a great Christmas.
I know.
Oh, Merry Christmas!
Crackling wood all season, decorating a loneless Christmas once again, making amends and tying loose